held your hand through endless skies. Now I'm alone.
Where is my son?
With silent cries, the stars remember what we were. But in the dark, you're just a blur. I would give the world to see your face, to feel your warmth, your last embrace. But time is cruel. It steals away the light that made my night day. This is the most emotional song. I held your hand through endless skies. Now I'm alone. With silent cries, the stars remember what we were. But in the dark, you're just a blur. I would give the world to see your face, to feel your warmth, your last embrace. But time meow meow in the silence of the night. Meow meow when I've lost the light. Meow meow your shadow's near. Meow meow but you're not here. Meow. Through endless skies. Now I'm alone. With silent cries, the stars remember what we were. But in the dark,
Mama.
you're just a blur. I'll give the world to see your face, to feel your warmth, your last embrace. But time is cruel. It's I held your hand through endless skies. Now I'm alone. With silent cries, the stars remember what we were. But in the dark, you're just a blur. I'll give the world to see your face, to feel your warmth, your last embrace. But time is cruel.
They laughed at him. Just because his lunch was plain white rice, he sat alone, quietly, while they laughed, showing off burgers and fries. He took a bite, and a tear rolled down. But that moment changed him. He swept streets at night, washed dishes in a food stall, helped an old shopkeeper, folded laundry. He didn't complain, he saved every coin, and one day he shared his food with a kitten even hungrier than him. The same ones who once laughed now watched in silence. They didn't just see a poor cat anymore. They saw strength, they saw kindness, because the poor meow didn't just rise, he rose with heart.
I held your hand through endless skies. Now I'm alone. With silent cries, the stars remember what we were. But in the dark, you're just a blur. I'll give the world to see your face, to feel your warmth, your last embrace. But time is cruel. It's still.
They took everything from him. His job, his home, even the ones he called friends. He lost it all. Betrayed, forgotten, alone. But what they couldn't take was his will, his fire, his belief in something bigger. So he started again. No money, no help, just him and the pain. He worked in silence. He failed. He tried again, and one stormy night, a spark lit up the darkness. From scraps, he built his dream. One day, they came back, shocked at what he built. But he didn't look back, because when they took everything from him, they gave him something too. A reason to never need them again.
I held your hand through endless skies. Now I'm alone. With silent cries, I held your hand through endless skies. Now I'm alone. With silent cries,
I'll be back.
the stars remember what we were. But in the dark, you're just a
Don't
blur.
worry.
I would give the world to see your face, to feel your warmth, your last embrace. But time is cruel. I had to end through endless skies. Now I'm alone with silent cries. The stars remember what we were, but in the dark, you're just a blur. I would give the world to see your face, to feel your warmth, your last embrace. But time is cruel.
He will pay for this!
I will kill you! He was playing and fell.
That woman is lying.